Black and white is an integral part of photography. It's what started it all, and many photographers won't shoot any other way. Using Photo RAW 2021's powerful filters and local adjustments, you can quickly convert your image to black and white, add detail with selective masks, brush in dodging and burning, and then print your monochromatic masterpiece as soon as you're done. Converting images to black and white inside Photo RAW can be done a few different ways. The go-to way for many editors is to use the very popular black and white filter. Just like all of the filters inside of Photo RAW, there are customizable options and modifiers that we can use to fine-tune our monochromatic look. Let's let the black and white filter do the hard work for us when it comes to our color conversion and our tone, but let's give our photo some polish with a sleek industrial look using the powerful toner section. Not only do we convert our image to black and white, but we've added our own unique style onto it. With our image converted, let's quickly add in detail to make the textured areas pop. If we need to protect areas from the detail that's being applied, we can use any of Photo RAW's powerful masks to help us out. Let's use a luminosity mask here to make sure the detail is only being applied to the buildings. That looks perfect. Luminosity and color range masks can be applied inside Photo RAW with one click. With the image desaturated and the detail applied selectively, it's time to dodge and burn to accentuate the contrast around our photo. With Photo RAW's powerful brushing tools, we can use flow, opacity, and feathering to dodge and burn areas on our image naturally and evenly. In seconds, we've created this beautiful black and white photograph. If we want to print this photo, we can use Photo RAW's easy-to-use print module to quickly get it onto paper. Get all of these features and more with ON1 Photo RAW 2021 or ON1 Photo RAW 360.